Hi everybody, Chris and PJ here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage.
Happy Tuesday, Christopher.
Happy Crate Tuesday.
Not crepes.
No, not Crepe Tuesday. What are you, hungry, PJ?
A little bit.
There you go. Oh, guys.
Tell me what's going on in this box. It's like
Well,
this big, huge magician box.
That's right. That's right, PJ. We're going to put your head here, your feet here. We're going to spin it around. No, we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is show you what's in this Demon Crate again. This is what $1 would have got you if you were the original owner of the 2018 Dodge Demon, 840 horsepower. But who cares about the original owner, right? You said original owner might not have those entries to win, but you do. And if you don't, then get those entries because you only have 7 days left to enter. Right, PJ?
That's right. It actually did put the original owner's information on top of it.
Yeah, Dodge did that. So they put the name of the original owner there, serial number, that's number 1125.
And the VIN.
The VIN number there, so you can match this to the vehicle. In case you had multiple demons and multiple demon crates, you knew which crate went to which demon.
Oh, good call.
And there are people who have multiple demons, right?
That's right.
There you go. Let's open this up. Is this going to be easy?
Yeah, let me give you
me a hand on that side, huh? There we go. Let's open that baby up.
Spin it
Whoa,
away
not
from
everything's
the vehicle.
in here, and I'm going to have to explain why. First, let's open that. Get it there. Well, it's certainly themed to the car, isn't it,
It's
PJ?
very big.
Yeah, black and red, and it's got the stencil of that guy there.
The big demon.
Yeah. I like the cartoon demon from 1971 more.
Oh, yeah, it looked a little bit more friendlier. didn't it?
Yeah, this one does not look friendly at all, PJ.
It's a beast, right?
And looks like he's got like a orthodontist issue going on there, right?
Doesn't the logo have on the side of the vehicle, too?
Oh, yeah. Same one over here. So in place of the Hellcat, they put
A demon.
the uncool cat, right?
And the call out for the demon down there.
Yeah, or the cool cat, whatever you want to call it. And then you've got the stencil there as well. So inside of here,
What do we have inside here, Chris?
you've got the Demon floor jack, 1.5 ton. That would be 3,000 pounds, right? You're not lifting the whole car. You're lifting, these are meant to lift the front wheels so you can put on the skinnies. The skinnies, the wheels themselves go right here. But there's a good reason that they're not there, and that is because they have tires on them. And why do they have tires on them? Because Don Garlitz needed to take it down the track at the Gator National. So that was a really important reason to get those front runner wheels off of here. And you've got the handle for the...
Now, the winner will get
the
those,
jack.
right?
Oh yeah, we're going to give the front runner wheels with the tires to the winner.
Oh, good deal. All
I
right.
hope that that's you.
And they just won't fit in
Not
the crate.
You, PJ.
No,
They
I
won't-
can't.
Correct. They just won't fit in the crate because now we have tires on the wheels.
Gotcha.
That's all. Yeah. And here, the torque wrench, so you can torque down those front wheels. Now there were a couple other things that came in the Demon crate, but they've been installed.
Right, there was something else, I think it was like right here, right?
Correct. And we're going to have to go inside to show everybody that.
Okay.
Not inside the crate, PJ.
That would be a magician thing.
Inside the car. Inside the Demon. You guys got 7 days left to enter to win. But first, who has a question?
Alan from YouTube says, I bought the $1 cheeseburger instead.
You bought the $1 cheeseburger instead of the $1 Demon crate. You should have spent it on the Demon crate.
Roger says, your inner demons. Yes, perfect.
There you go. And which Demon do you guys like better? The 71 Demon like me or the new modern Demon?
Wait, do you like the 71 Demon, that yellow one? Is that the one you were talking about?
I like the cartoon Demon, right?
Okay, gotcha.
Looks
Oh,
like
okay,
the one
yeah.
from the comic books, right?
That's right.
There you go.
Alan says, the wheels on the skinnies go round and round.
There you go. Yeah,
They
he's,
do.
He's going to have me singing the bus song
That's
next.
right,
Next thing
that's
you know, it'll be the windshield wipers go wish, wish,
Oh,
wish.
good Lord. Let's not go there, but let's go in the vehicle.
Let's
here.
go into. Hey, I like that you win play right there, PJ.
That's right. Somebody will win that.
Okay, come on inside. But for, PJ, when you open that door, show them that Demon call out on the sill plate.
Oh, yeah, right there.
And How about on the floor? Can you see the Demon puddle lamp
Yep.
there as well?
You can see it right there, yep.
Yep. So
Lot
there
of
you
light
go.
in
So
here.
come on in, sit inside.
Someone wants to know, is it a 170?
No, it's a 2018. The 2018s were not 170s. They were just called Demons. There's a number plate on there again, same that matches on the crate, 1125. And so I need to show you guys, I'm not sure how clearly you can see it in here. It's kind of dark in here. Can you see this? This is a whole new kind of bezel that goes here. And this is that high performance gas button. So this bezel plate and what's called a PCM, power control module, comes in the crate, and you have to take it to your Dodge dealer and have the Dodge dealer install it for you in order to get the 840 horsepower. So if you did not get the Demon crate, and it's possible that someone bought a cheeseburger like Alan instead of the Demon crate, then this bezel here would not have this little button with the gas pump that
Really?
says, what's it say down there? High output, right? Is that a HO there?
Yeah.
Okay. So the Dodge dealer installs this new bezel plate and then installs the new PCM, and then that allows you, when you fire it up, and we'll do that, why not?
Go for it.
Okay. And then you double click on the SRT. Might have to wait. Yep. That allows you to move this 808 horsepower. We don't have race gas in it right now, so it's not going to move to 840. It says high octane on. Oh, not high output, high octane. So high octane here, but we don't have the fuel in it, the race gas right now, to go from 808 to 840. So I can turn on the light, I can see high octane here, but the computer knows that it doesn't have a high enough octane in the gas tank to trip that trigger and give you that 840 horsepower. But hey, 808 horsepower is not too shabby, PJ.
That's right. Let's see. Lady Scotch Challenger says, sounds great.
It really does sound great. You guys are asking, why isn't there a 6-speed manual in here? Dodge couldn't get a manual transmission that will handle this amount of severe duty. And let's face it, if you've got 800 horsepower, you're probably going to hit that throttle once or twice. And so they did not put 6-speed manuals in these 840 horse ones. In fact, very, very few Hellcats from 2015 forward ever got that 6-speed manual. I think 2015, 2016 it was an option. I think they might have done the option again in 2022. But most of them, and literally all except one that I've seen, have automatics.
Alan wants to know, what's the miles per gallon on this?
Oh, yes.
one
You
one
mean
mile per 1
you mean
gallon.
the gallons per mile? Do you guys remember the days you could get in like a nice 440 and you could see the gas gauge going from full all the way down to empty? I mean, it would literally do that. Listen, if you drive it like a regular car, you're probably going to get 20 miles to the gallon. If you put your foot at wide open throttle, you're not going to get that. You'll be getting like miles per gallon like the old days, maybe 8 to 10.
And to get that extra 848 horsepower, you're going to put
840.
race gas, right?
You're going to have to put race gas in it. I think that the manual says you have to have a combined octane rating at the sensor of 101 octane or higher.
Oh,
So
good deal.
you could put 93 in, you could go and you could go online and you could buy race gas from our friends at Race Gas, and they'll send it to you, and then you add it, and then combined you'll get enough to go ahead and get that 840 horse. Or if you're in a pinch, you can run to your local gas station near your racetrack and put some go-go juice in there, and that should give you 101 or better as well. But not every town has a gas station near a racetrack anymore, right?
That's right. Kathy says you get MPS. Miles per smile. That's
Yep,
right,
I know that one. And Kathy has a contest going on.
Speaking of smiling.
Smiling. So here's the contest. We got photos, we got selfies of some of us here in the Dream Giveaway Garage showing what our reaction would be. And I didn't do it, but PJ did and some of the other folks did. of what their reaction would be if they won a car here. And of course, we can't enter, we can't win, but you guys can. And then Kathy, tell them all the details about the contest, when it runs through, what the prize is going to be.
Yeah, and I saw a post on Facebook, and some of their fans already have got some great selfies out there already. So yeah, it was quite impressive. So
yeah,
hopefully.
Here's the other thing. Did you notice this does not have a sunroof? Like some of our Hellcats do, PJ?
Call it a black hole roof, I guess, instead of a sunroof.
There you go. And PJ, remember we've been talking about grab handles?
Yes.
This one, it has a grab handle on both sides. There's one over there. You can't see it unless you kind of get that camera up there.
Yeah, I can see it right there.
But here's what you guys need to know. This is a heck of a car. You've got 7 days left to enter. They only made, I think, about 3,300 of these. And this is number 1125. 2023 is the last year of the gas-powered supercharged Hellcat. That's it. Dodge is going to a hybrid 6-pack, 6-cylinder engine next year, or a full electric. So this is your last chance to really get what's going to be a future collectible. Already is a collectible. So get your entries, help out those great charities at dreamgiveaway.com. You only have 7 days left to enter. Right?
That's right.
There you go.
And that's it. Let's see here. We did have one question. Carlos says, always awesome to see you guys live. Can't wait for the Dark Horse giveaway. That's,
Dark Horse, and the Dark Horse is right next to us, right?
That's right. Speaking of electric.
Yeah, next to the Lightning over there as well. So and we heard from the winner of the Roush F-150.
That's right. He got home.
He got home safe and sound, and he's showing it off to all his friends. And, June 7th, we're going to hold the award ceremony for the Classic Vet, the 65 Resto Mod. PJ, you're going to be bummed to see that go.
I am. But, actually somebody called and asked, and he said, are you sad when these vehicles leave? And I said, for a while we are, but, we get 11 months to play with them, and then all of a sudden we got a whole new batch. So we're having fun doing that.
Yeah, I get bummed out when some of them leave, too.
Kathy says, the contest goes through Wednesday night. Take a selfie, as Chris mentioned, and post it on one of the selfie contest posts.
Okay.
We will randomly select one person to win 10 comp entries, and your selfie has the most likes, loves. You'll win 10 entries as well.
There you go. What a great contest to run this week.
Yeah, I love it.
And tomorrow's going to be fun. In fact, tomorrow's going to be our last day of Facebook Lives this week as we kind of start kicking off Memorial Day weekend early. But you guys are going to get tons of offers from us over Memorial Day weekend. So please, if you have not gone to dreamgiveaway.com and set up an account and put your email address in, you're going to miss out on some pretty incredible offers that aren't offered anyplace else.
As a matter of fact, we even have a new thing, and Kathy can post this here, that if you do sign up for the link that we have for text messages,
that's right.
That you'll even, I saw an offer today on Memorial Day that is just going to be incredible.
Incredible. So guys, if you got our email to sign up for text messaging, please do. We promise not to spam you. We'll probably tell you when a giveaway launches and when a giveaway ends. Right?
That's right. Or maybe a Chris picture once in a while with a selfie.
Once in a while. Yeah, that's right. So I got to tell you guys, what a great car here. We didn't do a whole lot of mods to this one. We were trying to keep this one fairly close to stock. There is some cool stuff from American Carcraft on there that is removable, but it's pretty tasty stuff as well. It's got a nice sound system on it. And can you believe that we live in a world in which you can have 840 horsepower, a Harman Kardon sound system, XM radio, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, room for 4, room for 5 maybe.
That's a stretch, but
right?
Yeah, you can get 5 back there.
It's a great time. It really is another muscle car era, but again, this one's coming to an end as well, just like this one ends in 7 days.
And Big Daddy Don Garlitz drove this thing.
Big Daddy Don Garlitz sat right here. I feel next to fame right now, right here, PJ. So we're going to let you guys go for now. We'll see you tomorrow with more great fun and more great action and more great grand prizes. And you've got 7 days left to win this Dodge Demon from 2018. Limited edition, plus that $1 Demon Crate. So if you spent $1 on that cheeseburger instead of the Demon Crate, don't worry, we've got one for you if you're the lucky winner of this vehicle. We'll see you tomorrow with more great fun, more great action, more great grand prizes here in our favorite place on earth. Well, around us in the favorite place on earth, the Dream Giveaway Garage.
See you next time, everyone.